Are you looking to grow your own vegetables? Radishes are a fantastic choice. They're quick, easy, and perfect for beginners. In this video, we'll uncover everything you need to know about growing radishes successfully. First, why choose radishes? They're one of the fastest growing vegetables. Some varieties mature in just 3 weeks. Plus, they add crunch to your dishes. Radishes thrive in many climates, making them versatile. Let's begin your radish growing journey. Step 1. Choose the right variety. Popular varieties include Cherry Belle, French Breakfast, and Daikon. Consider your taste preferences and how much space you have. Next, pick the perfect planting time. Radishes prefer cooler weather. Plant them in early spring or fall. If you live in a warm area, plant them in the cooler months. Now, it's time to prepare your soil. Radishes enjoy well-drained soil rich in organic matter. Aim for a pH level between 6.0 and 7.0. Loosen the soil to help them grow freely. Let's talk about planting. Create rows spaced about 12 inches apart. Sow seeds about ½ an inch deep and 1 inch apart. Water gently after planting to avoid disturbing the seeds. After planting, watch for signs of growth. Thin the seedlings once they reach a few inches tall. This allows each radish to grow without competition for nutrients. Water your radishes regularly, but don't overdo it. They need about 1 inch of water per week. Signs of overwatering include yellow leaves and root rot. Keep an eye out for pests. Common pests include aphids and flea beetles. If you notice them, consider using insecticidal soap to get rid of them. As your radishes grow, maintain their care. Remove any weeds to prevent competition for nutrients. Fertilizing isn't usually necessary if your soil is rich. When it's time to harvest, look for radishes that are firm and fully round. Gently pull them from the soil to avoid damage. If they are too small, give them a bit more time. Radishes can be stored in the fridge for about 2 weeks. Remove their tops before storing to help them last longer. Enjoy them fresh in salads or cooked dishes. In summary, radishes are a quick and rewarding vegetable to grow. Choose the right variety, prepare your soil, and provide proper care. Remember to harvest at the right time for the best flavor. Now you're ready to start your radish growing adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow gardening enthusiasts. Happy planting!